Hi, welcome to Cooking with Tia. Today I'm going to make spring roll and a vegan spring roll. Here's the ingredients I'm going to be using. I have a different type. This is one of my favorite I like to use. It's a thin spring roll rice wrapper because it's really thin. I like that thin texture. And here's some other one I just brought in. I think they're a little bit thicker. Here's a square one, and they have a round one, a little bit bigger. I think these are more stickier and a thicker brand. And then we have noodle, vermicelli noodles, or you can use this regular smaller one. I like to use these square kind because it's already shaped and it's easier to cook. And then we have cucumber, romaine lettuce, or you can use regular leaf green red lettuce, and cilantro. We're gonna have shrimp, and then I use that pink chashu meat. And then for the vegan, I was gonna try to stir fry this tofu. That's from Walmart. Put that in. I think these are the main ingredients you'll need if you wanted a simple spring roll, but I like to add mine with extra stuff. I like to add bean sprout, some chives, more for decoration, but it's really strong smell. I like this, it's called Vietnamese coriander. This is a really light herb. I like that one. And then it's optional if you want to use mint. And then I like to use this one. It's a purple, kind of purple leaf. I don't know what it's called, but. And then one more, the basil, if you like that. All the veggies I have. And for the meat, the shrimp. Oh, you can also use, pre-cooked. I kind of cook this. Pre-cooked shrimp, or cook it a little bit. And then that's it. Okay, for the hoisin peanut sauce, I have minced garlic, peanut butter. You can use creamy or extra crunchy hoisin sauce. I found out you can get this at Walmart. They have this. A little bit of ketchup and sugar. For the sauce, put on low heat to start off with. Put a spoon of garlic, minced garlic, and equal proportion. So if you put, 1 spoon of peanut butter, it's going to be same as for the hoisin sauce. So I'm going to use 2 spoons. We can always add more when we taste you need. And ketchup, just add 1 spoon. And then a little bit sugar, not that much. Kind of mix it, and also forgot, I need to add a little bit water. It's not too thick. If it's too thick and thin, the consistent just always the water. I can tell you, I probably need some more hoisin sauce. It doesn't look equal proportion right now. So I have peanut butter in there. Here's the sauce when it's done. It should look like this. It's kind of chunky. This one I have that chunky peanut. If you had smooth, it'd be more like a liquid right here. Pan frying tofu, salt, a little bit of sugar. This cooks faster than the traditional vermicelli noodle. It's been 2-3 minutes. It didn't take that long. It's just kind of a little bit hard. And just let it sit and then prepare all the other stuff. It'll get soft. You don't need to drain it or anything. I'm using the spring wrapper. Just need cold water. Tap water's fine. Just put it in, put it out. take out the excess water. And then I already got one kind of set out. I'm gonna go ahead and make it. We'll make the vegan one. Small one. Cucumber, the mint. I think this is the Vietnamese coriander or rau yu, whatever. Cilantro. You don't want to put too much. You gotta wrap it. Here it says propel or what's this? Papel in Laos. Bean sprout. Here it kind of look like. I'm gonna wrap it. I think I wrap it halfway, then fold it one side. Do the thin wrapper, it tends to break easily. And then the chives, a couple pieces, kind of a decoration piece. This one's kind of a sticky. Now I'm going to do the one with the pork and shrimp. Shake off the excess. Yeah, these don't take very long. When you put the lettuce and everything, it'll get it to be soft and everything. When you start, you always want to have a base as your lettuce to hold it, then your noodle, and then you can put your meat and veggies in the middle. Just a little bit of meat, not too much. Some mint. It's a big leaf. Vietnamese coriander. Cilantro. Cucumber. Bean sprout. Wrap it, kind of roll it, halfway stop, and then put one corner in, and then put the other corner in. Get your chives. It's too much. And the shrimp, open it up, it looks like a M, and then face it down. Just wrap it. You are trying. Okay, this one's the tofu one. It's good. All the mint, kind of refreshing, good for summer.